The Changnyeong factory has a total area of 610,000 square meters, equivalent to 86 football fields. The key production base of Nexen Tire. It has a main building measuring 67,000 square meters, a refinery measuring 11,000 square meters, optimized utility facilities, R&D building, welfare building, and main office. Where other companies set up their production bases outside Korea to escape Korea's high wage, distribution, and land costs, Nexen Tire has invested in quality, building a cutting-edge factory in Changnyeong, Korea to provide high-quality, high-value made-in-Korea products that boost the local economy. Located in the main industrial complex in Gyeongsang-namdo, the Changnyeong factory serves as the forward base of Nexen Tire's product supply within Korea, OE supply, and export to overseas car makers. The Changnyeong factory combines Nexen Tire's more than 70-year know-how, craftsmanship, and state-of-the-art technologies. The factory is more advanced than anything that has ever come before it. Nexen Tire adopted Super PEB method for more efficient production and arranged production facilities in a straight line to streamline movement between processes and maximize the use of space. Plus, it uses RFID and barcode systems to automate all the processes, from the initial arrival of materials through to the final product departure, in order to manage the distribution of products in a more precise manner. The Changnyeong factory's high-quality production systems have already seen it draw considerable attention from the tire industry, and the factory has rewarded that interest, achieving certified 100% in the shortest period of time in the OE supply evaluation, the world's most famous car makers to provide full OE quantity. The Changnyeong factory is widely acknowledged as having the technology and potential to live up to its reputation for advanced, high-performance tires. It now serves as the driving force behind Nexen Tire's growth, expanding its share in overseas markets and increasing its OE supply to global car makers. Tires at the Changnyeong factory are produced through mixing, extrusion, calendaring, bead, building, curing, inspection, and finally, shipment. When it comes to the shaping process, the complete automated facilities double the production capacity, and the highly sensitive weighing machine detects a nominal difference in weight, and at the same time, RFID and barcode systems track the history of production to detect possible defects. This advanced system has resulted in substantial improvements in quality, with the factory achieving an almost zero defect rate and low variation in product quality. Nexen Tire is committed to providing its customers with tires of the finest quality. That's why it runs its own test facilities, Nexen Tire Vehicle Dynamic Testing Center, with various driving courses for compliance with global standards governing tire production and performance. Nexen Tire works to protect the environment through the practice of Green Factory, its new value paradigm. The Changnyeong factory neighbors Mount Hwawang, a well-known habitat of silver grass and royal azalea. Gwalyong Temple, which has a history dating back 1,000 years, and Upo Wetland, the country's largest wetland. Amid such glorious surroundings, Nexen Tire strives to develop technologies that benefit humanity, nature, and the future. The solar panel on the roof of the factory increases the proportion of environmentally friendly energy used, while natural light amplification technology helps save overall energy consumption. The Changnyeong factory is committed to creating a workplace that's friendly to both the environment and humans. The Changnyeong factory's patented air purification system creates a more pleasant and clean working environment, while its precipitation system removes the distinct smell of rubber usually found in tire-making facilities. Plus, the natural ventilation type air conditioner maintains a stable temperature throughout the year, to minimize any difference in temperature that could jeopardize the production process, and by doing so, save energy and improve product quality. The environmentally friendly workplace serves two ends, enhancing the health and satisfaction of workers while also improving product quality. The Changnyeong factory represents the culmination of Nexen's efforts to protect nature. Not only that, it stands as a promise for a beautiful tomorrow as well. Nexen Tire had no labor management conflicts over the past 30 years. That is because Nexen sticks to its management philosophy, development and innovation through harmony and mutual growth. This management philosophy augments the value of Nexen members working together and creates an exciting organizational culture that enhances the welfare of Nexen members. Nexen members are like family working to build a future together. Nexen Tire's management philosophy shapes its organizational culture to value the contribution of its members. That's how it can operate a dispute and accident-free workplace and produce higher quality products that power its ascent into a more trustworthy company. Nexen Tire is stepping up to lead a more promising future, and this future is being made right here in the Changnyeong factory. The Changnyeong factory, the world's best green factory, is equipped with state-of-the-art automated systems and eco-friendly tire production facilities, which improves productivity on high-quality and high-value products. The production capacity of Changnyeong factory increased to 6 million units in 2012 after the first phase, and to 12 million units in 2014 after the second phase, and will become a global top 10 manufacturer by 2025. The Changnyeong factory is the engine turning Nexen's dream into a reality. The Changnyeong factory is shaping the bright future of Nexen.